So welcome to the tour of our 2015 Redwood 36FB. It's for sale. It's got about 18,000 travel miles on it, and it's in really good shape. It's been under this roof for 4 years, and there's no outside damage or inside damage for that matter, which you'll see shortly. But this is the exterior of the RV. You can see that it's a little bit of shadow from our exhaust fan on the shop. But here is the exterior. You'll notice that it's got a double slide within a slide, and that's in the bedroom. So we added on this porta deck, which made it a lot easier for us to maneuver when we were living in the RV, which we did for 5 years. And you enter in here. This is the kitchen living area space. You can see that it's still got the original interior. We did replace the recliners with a reclining love seat and the original couch with a futon. But it's got fabulous storage, blonde cherry cabinetry, and the farm sink with the high faucet. We've got the fireplace and television here. That fireplace does throw off quite a bit of heat. There's also extra storage for, media, CDs, DVDs, whatever you have. Extra storage around the fireplace. And then this is the pull-out desk with some areas for storage, so you can put your laptop under there, have your office stuff. And you'll notice all of the overhead cabinetry. There's just a lot of storage in this RV. This is the large pantry. It's got pull-out shelves and an area for your coffee maker. We put our coffee maker and toaster in this area here. There's a plug in the back, so you can plug in your appliances and just leave them there out of the way. But lots of storage. This is one of my favorite features in the RV. We've got the wastebasket, and then we've got the cutting board over it with the hole, so you can just kind of push your vegetable and other waste right directly into the wastebasket. I don't know why every home doesn't have this. But you'll see all the tiles in great shape. We haven't had any leaks or anything. We've got extra storage, 3 drawers instead of an oven. And then we've got this Frigidaire convection oven microwave, which we used, without any issues for baking. My husband's a fabulous cookie baker, so we use that. We did replace the original residential refrigerator with this large French door refrigerator, and we have parties sometimes, so we have a little extra bubbly in there. But it's got an ice maker and this top and bottom freezer. So another pantry here with loads of storage. You just can't beat the storage in this unit. When we moved out of it and into the house we're living in now, I kept saying, where is all this stuff coming from? And the storage in our house isn't nearly as efficient as it is in this RV. So this is a walk-through bathroom, and you can see that there's a shower here with a skylight. We added the stained glass thing because it to cut down on the light when we were sleeping. And then there are French doors, or sliding doors, pocket doors, to close it off the bathroom area and the master suite from the rest of the living area. And there's one here too, depending on how you want to close things off. Another large cedar-lined storage area. We use this for linens and for our cats. And then more storage, another television. Oh, I forgot to turn the lights on in here. There we go. More storage, lots of cabinetry, lots of drawers, another television, this beautiful closet door, queen size bed. And you'll notice that because of that slide within a slide feature that you saw in the back when we were outside, you've got extra room at the foot of the bed. Do your yoga stretches, whatever. Makes it a lot easier for two people to live in it. Fully cedar-lined closet with shoe cubbies. Again, lots of storage. The two folding chairs that go with the dinette so you can seat 4 people for dinner. And just lots of drawers. So we think you'll be very happy in this RV. And oh, here's the little closet, the little water closet for the toilet area. And again, more storage above the cabinet, above the toilet, and the toilet itself. So we think you'll be very happy if you purchase this RV and make it your home or your home on wheels. And we always like to remind people that we travel not to escape life, but for life to not escape us.